thank you for teaching me how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm Ryan and I am 5 years old. I'm Ryan again and I can solve my Rubik's Cube faster. Level 1.
Okay. I'm not sure if I could give this a solve. Okay. This is... I'm not sure how to turn the camera.
Of course, since this cube is new, it's turning a bit rough, but I'm pretty sure it will turn very good once this cube is breaking in and the cube is done. So, there you go.
Thank you for teaching me how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm Ryan, and I'm 18 years old.
Thank you.
And that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. This is the revival of ryanntot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Swag!